Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful phone bag with simple steps. I used a 5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and make 17 chains. Make a single crochet stitch in the first chain. Insert the hook into the left loop, then into the next chain. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. Repeat, insert into the left loop, then into the next chain, and pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. Continue these steps until the end of the row. Row 2. Turn the work without making a turning chain. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. Repeat the same steps as in the previous row. Continue repeating until you reach the desired length. Length, 46 centimeters. Width, 10.5 centimeters. Making the bag sides, start with a slip knot and make 7 chains. Make a single crochet in each chain. Move between rows without making a turning chain. Continue making single crochet stitches in each stitch until you reach the desired length. Make 2 pieces with the following dimensions: length, 14 centimeters, width, 5.5 centimeters. Attach the sides to the bag. Secure the other side using the same method.